Okay, so let's get started here with the AnyDesk setup. So in this case, I'm going to go through the steps on how you would go through this on your office computer, because this is the computer you're going to want to access from your home outside the office. So let's go ahead and get started. I've just gone to AnyDesk.com. It takes me right to this page. I'll click download, and the download will automatically begin. It'll actually begin right down here. For me in Chrome, if you've got another web browser, it may begin somewhere else, but that's all you have to do. You don't have to worry about anything here unless for some reason you don't see a download active. So we'll go ahead and wait for this download to finish up, which for some reason is being very slow today, and then I'll take you to the next steps. Yep, here we go. It's just about ready. All right. So go ahead and click on Open here, and then we're going to have a few extra steps. So once we get this, we've got to go ahead and let it connect to the AnyDesk network. It's connected. You'll see AnyDesk ready. But we want to do something because otherwise, the next time we reboot the computer, this is going to go away. So we're going to go ahead and install AnyDesk on this computer. Go ahead and leave this if you want. You might want to uncheck the desktop icon. Install, and click Yes to allow. Go ahead and let this get installed. And what it's going to do is install itself and then relaunch. So you don't have to worry. It's just going to remind you that it's free for private use. For professional use, you can go ahead and test those features. I'm just going to click Get Started for now. And you'll notice that I've got an address right here. So I need to do a couple other things. I need to set a password for access. So click Yes. And I need to go ahead and allow always under interactive access. So that way you don't have to have this window open. And I need to go ahead and click to set a password here. And I'll click Apply. And then that should be all I need to do. You can also restrict access to separate computers, all sorts of other things if you want to do them, but those are just the basic settings. We'll hit Close. And then I'm all set. Now, what I recommend, the easiest way to do this is just to click to send an invitation. So this way you can send it maybe to your personal email. If you want to send it to yourself through your work email, that's fine. And then you can access it. That's going to make it really easy then on your home computer to get access. So I'm just going to click Send Invitation. And it'll take it a second here, I believe, to go ahead and launch. All right, so I've got that set. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to send that to my personal here. And then you're going to see this, but what we're looking for is that address we're going to need later, and then just a reminder to go ahead and download AnyDesk. Of course, you could send this to somebody else if you want to grant them access to your computer, but I don't anticipate that's something you're going to be doing on a regular basis. So I'm going to click Send. And as far as that part is, I'm done. So now the next part of this video, we're going to take a look at how I'm going to go ahead and access another system. So let's go ahead and go there now. All right, so you've opened up that email on your home computer, or you've just gone to AnyDesk.com on your home computer. We're going to do the same steps we did before here. So download, it's going to go ahead and start a download. I've already got it here, so I'm just going to go ahead and shortcut us and launch it. Now, of course, this is my same installation I had before, but what you're going to want to do is down here, you're going to want to go ahead and install it on your home computer again, except for this time, we're not going to need to set a password for unattended access unless you want to go back and be able to access your home computer from your work. Some people want to do that, but for the most part, it's not what we're looking to do. What we want to do is that address you got in the email, we want to go ahead and copy that and paste it here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy address here. Of course, you would just copy this from the email if you had it there, paste it, and then all I'm going to have to do is click Connect. And then it's going to ask me for that password that I set, so I'm going to enter that. And then if your office computer locks as it should, then you're going to see an option where you're going to have to enter the password for your office computer at your normal login screen. So just do that like you normally would when you're sitting there at it, and you're off to the races. You'll be able to see it here. You can make this go full screen if you need to. Again, super easy. So that's all it takes. If you have any problems, of course, feel free to reach out to us. I'm Chris at parkwaytech.com. Our service team is service@parkwaytech.com. Guys, thank you so much for watching.